Okay, Steve, we'll review your lesson from today. And everybody who plays golf knows how frustrating it can be. But the only thing we can ask is that you learn from your mistakes. And you started to get some serious improvement at the end of the lesson. And you want to say, okay, what was I doing there that I was not doing, when I was hitting it, when I wasn't hitting it, okay? Okay, a couple things I want you to try to practice. Bring up your model video here. See how the first thing that comes down is that, so that when they're in that swing right there, the arms come down first. It would also help you to get your elbows a lot closer together. It really would. That's too wide. You see the Okay, setup isn't bad. Remember, we did move your left hand over today because you don't want to get that too much turned over to the right. Because then, even if you do hit it, you're going to hit it way off to the right. But one of the things I want to point out, you can work on this as you go, is this thing right here. Okay, so we got this arm dead straight, and yours looks like this. Look at the gap between your elbows there. See how narrow that is? Look how big your triangle is in there. That this arm being on that angle, that club starts down too late. So you're unwinding as you come down. You've got to come down before you unwind. It's pretty much that simple. You hit the last, 7 shots or something right up in the air, no problem, because you changed your sequence. This right here, your hands and your arms up here, they have to come down before you do anything with your shoulders, before you unwind them at all. So I want to go like this. No. And bring his hands down just below his shoulders. And bring your hands down just below your shoulders here. Okay, so What's the big difference? Draw a line from the butt of his club down. Right? And draw a line from the butt of your club down. So your hands, his hands are back behind his shoulder. Your hands are already out by your neck. Now this, since you're having some success with the extending part, this is the other thing that we've got to do. Get the elbow in. Not out here. And drop the hands all the way down to here. All the way down to here while your back is still at the target. In fact, you could almost feel like your hands almost feel like your shoulders never unwind. If you can break through with this habit of trying your best to get your arms down while your back is still at the target. How far down he is with his back still at the target, right? And as you come down, you're moving your body first. So it's here. No. Keep the elbows real close together. You want to wrap a band around your elbows to keep them close together. I have to get rid of that angle. And then you just drop them down. It almost feels like they fall all the way down before you ever return your shoulders. If your arms don't get down first, then we'll never consistently be able to hit the bottom of the ball. That's out. And you don't want to come up, right? You see what you're doing there. Right? That's where we want to go. You always want to start with your chin off your chest a little bit and try to avoid that, but you still want to get those arms down. Watch how close his arms come down to his body. Look how close they are right there. You have to see the difference there. Right? That's a big difference. So that's the goal. Stay down, get the arm extended, and make sure you drop your arms down first. If it feels like you're not turning back at all, that's fine. That's what it's going to feel like, though. That's going to be the key for you to start popping the bottom of that ball like you did. Then, I mean, later at some point, we've got to get you to follow through a little bit. You can't stand on that back foot and do everything. But that first, we've got to develop a habit of getting your arms down in time. See how much you're moving forward there? Watch. Right, that's all too late. Running ahead of your body getting there too early, your club and arms getting there too late, and then topping the ball. That's too late now. Now you're kind of be cooked. Even if you get your arms extended, which is you're doing better at right here, you still got to feel that relationship as to when they come down. And you don't ever want it to bend on the other side either. Keep it snapped.